What do we talk about? Hair. As you can tell, I have this hair on my head. I love the way that it looks. No complaints whatsoever. Kind of give you a look around all of this. Hey, my hair comrades, how are things going today? Hope everything in the new year is going well. I'll tell you, for me, 2023 is going to be a great year. I can just kind of feel it in my gut. It's hair on your head, whether you choose to rock a bald head or a shaved head, that's awesome. But if you're like me, you thought maybe I can look a little better than I did, and so I wanted to try it, and I did, and I'm so glad that I did. Today I've got on a unit that's a little bit darker than the ones that I usually wear. And you will see that the perimeter of my hair at the top, if I had hair, it would probably be about this dark, because the edge of my hair is still dark. It's everything from here down that's as white as the driven snow. But when you're thinking about a new year, it's always a time to reflect on last year and the past and choices and decisions we've made. And I find myself always at a place to say, okay, I'm going to make good choices. I'm going to grab life and all of it that I can. I'll be 67 my birthday, and I have said before, I've decided I'm not done. I'm not ready to not feel vibrant and alive. A big part of that feeling and a big part of that choice was for me to put hair on my head again, not knowing if it was going to work very well, not knowing if it was going to be too much trouble, so many factors to consider. But I'm happy to report today that in 2013, if you are having the thought, do I or don't I? Do I order this? Do I take this chance? Let me tell you, in all honesty, to do it, and if you do it yourself as I do, there is a bit of a learning curve. But I'll tell you right now, it is worth it. As you can tell, I have this hair on my head. I love the way that it looks. No complaints whatsoever. Kind of give you a look around all of this. So if you are still on the fence about hair in 2023, let this be your year. Let this be your year to say, hey, I'm going to improve myself. Let's do the gym. Let's, wear something that makes us look something like more than an 8th grader. Let's be gentlemen. Let's do it in heart, mind, soul, body, and every way. Let me tell you, I've had lots of comments on this. I've tried my best to answer them. If you have questions, you're welcome to have that, and I will reply as soon as that I can. But if you're thinking about it and questioning, do I do it? Let me tell you, more and more men are realizing, you know what, if I were to be honest, I really wish I had hair. I just don't see that there are any successful options, because in the past, someone wearing a quote unquote toupee, one of those things you could spot a mile away. But today is not that day. But guys, it works. There's no issues. It's sound and solid on your head. It's not going to come off. And if you will notice, I'll get up close again so you can see that hairline. Man, what do you say? It's just pretty darn good. And I suppose today, if you got up close and personal, you couldn't see it at all. In another 5 days, it'll be a little evident right around the front edge, but nobody's going to get up to you and do this. They're just not. Until I tell them I wear fake hair, if you will. Then they want to get up close. And you know what they say every time? That's just amazing. People have taken pictures of me. They've gotten up close, taken pictures of the hairline to show their husbands, their boyfriends, their friends, to say, guys, it's 2023. There are options for us, and there's no reason why we can't look better. And really, in our heart of hearts, there's not a one of us that doesn't say, yeah, I'd look to look better. So if you're on the fence, let 2023 be your year. Let it be the best year ever. Let's grab it to the fullest, live it to the fullest, and let's make a choice to be happy. Let's make a choice to embrace things and to be relational with people and allow people to be close to us so that we can be close to them. It's a hair journey. It's been fun. It's easy. It's been affordable. I just can't say enough good about it. Now, to answer the question, oh, Rick, did it transform and change your life? Well, that's a little bit of a stretch, because I was always pretty happy anyway. But to look at me, you wouldn't know it, because I was just kind of hangdog, bald head, yeah. I don't want to do that. So because this is easy and affordable, I don't see why not. And I don't see why it shouldn't be the choice for you too. Come on, let's do this, guys.